Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the theater. Today we're digging into that new shit. Rockwave. EsDeeKid. Okay, let's go. Start with the guitar. Here I'm going into Dark Dream, and I'm just pulling up our electric guitars because we have a whole section here, and they're very, very, very helpful. This bass is going to be helpful in a second, but let's just start with our lead. Either you can work with a guitar that already has the amp sound in like we have here, or you can take like a generic guitar and just add that amplifier distortion to it, that electricness to it. Start by putting down that root note. Just staggering these. Just starting with the same root note across different octaves just gives you a little bit more of a thick. Now you can just really kind of tune in on your sound here and just start playing with some different ones. Ooh. Oh, we may need to use 2 layers. That's hard as fuck. Let's duplicate this. Now we have 2 layers of guitars working on top of. Now that these guitars, it's gonna add black magic to them. I'm gonna come in here and use our Rust engine here. And Rust has this deep grittiness to it. So it's an incredible model here to use as a creative texture engine. In each of these reverb algorithms, we have 2 sides. One's Ember, one's Oxide. They have 2 different characters. Kind of like the Ember side for this, a little pretty on the high end. But in the bass guitar now, you have that initial lower end, the regular electric guitar. Now let's do the bass guitar. Choose this. Here you can always boost these one-shots just to get them a little bit more grimy if that's what you're into. Let's go for a little key action here. That was not bad. Love these keys. We have so many of them. Still a little too sweet. That's kind of hard. Fuck yeah. Keys coming in, incoming. So a lot of times I just like to lay down different phrases, different things. I mean, just with the same instrument, just kind of start iterating, right? That's not bad. I think that's still too much. Oh, I like that. That's nice and simple.
Yeah, this is only you guys, huh?
So now we just take these other performances and just push them off to the side, because that's the shit we can use for later sections, just to build out our sample and kind of make it really interesting and have a diverse growth to it.
Walk through like nothing's changed, but I'm bossed up with some boss chains and I whip hard, cross lanes, breaking down all these tough strains. These tattered jeans got crop stains, Gucci bag full of guap main, face clash on his knock plane. I'm the first kid on this rock wave. I got walk through like nothing's changed, but I'm bossed up with some boss chains and I whip hard, cross lanes, breaking down all these tough strains. These tattered jeans got crop stains, Gucci bag full of guap main, face clash on his knock plane. I'm the first kid on this rock wave. I got
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Is that the guitar? Let's go back to our guitars again and just find another lead guitar. Oh. Let's humanize these.
walk through like nothing's changed, but I'm bossed up with some boss chains and I whip hard, cross lanes, breaking down all these tough strains. These tattered jeans got crop stains, Gucci bag full of guap main, face clash on his knock plane. I'm the first kid on this rock wave. I got walk through like nothing's changed, but I'm bossed up with some boss chains and I whip hard, cross lanes, breaking down all these tough strains.
Here I'm bringing in Glitch, one of our most interpretive reverb models. It just is a total creative machine. So here's it without it, here's it with. And it has two settings, stutter and reverse. So in the tails of the reverb, you're getting this reversing effect, and it's insane. This is the size of the samples. So if you want little chunky ones, if you want big ones, tone knob really defines how much of this you hear in what part. So hand it to the left, the tone is just gonna weigh towards the low end in the reverb, right? Tails. And to the, rotate this to the right, it's gonna favor the highs.
Walk through like nothing's changed, but I'm bossed up with some boss chains and I whip hard, cross lanes, breaking down all these tough strains. These tattered jeans got crop stains, Gucci bag full of guap main, face clash on his knock plane. I'm the first kid on this rock wave. I got
So here I'm just putting in an 808 from our free pack Sinister, and you can always just go grab this off of our website because it's got all this shit that's perfect for EsDeeKid. Just start experimenting with the 808s you like. Just fill in the rest of the drums real quick. I think these longer hats are kind of... Let's put in the open hats. In Blackmagic, you can just hit the random button. All right, let's put in the snare here. Let's put in the snare. Now, let's build ourselves a counter snare here and just like the rolls.
But I'm bossed up with some boss chains and I whip hard, cross lanes, breaking down all these top strains. These Prada jeans got crop stains, Gucci bag full of guap main. Face clash on this knock plane, I'm the first kid on this rock wave. I got paper lays like Hendrix, the life that I live's expensive. Last week took a trip to the Emirates, you ain't getting that money that you lent us. I just spent that on a rental, got the suicide doors, it's mental. Took a line went straight to the temple, I smoke Gandhi, still smoke Vento. I got me back full damn from the champagne, beat that shit like Rampage. I was offline playing on campaign. I see mad shit at a mad age. I wanna beat you up with a jet ski. Got a crown, I'm a king like Gretzky. I'm on top, I don't care with the recipe. I get anything cause I'm SP.
At the end here, you can always go back and like look at your guitar sounds. Maybe a little too much reverb on this. All right, nice and simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. 3 layers, all guitars, keys, bring it together. Find those pairings, right? I'm using Prologue, Dark Dream, Blackmagic, all on the site. Check them. Love you all.